National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
We had that band of rain and storms pass through last night and early this morning. Then a nice break this afternoon, though not as much sun as we would necessarily like to see around here. But hopefully you got your softball games and activities in before we had a couple of these renegade scattered showers and thunderstorms surge out ahead of the main massive rain, which is now assembling to our southwest. Here's the viewing area, and you can see these showers here from Champaign and Peoria all the way back to Springfield, Illinois. And we'll broaden out a little bit, and you can see the area kind of filling in here in Missouri. These are moving off to the northeast towards our area. But more importantly, notice what's happening down here in Arkansas, so parts of Missouri. Nasty, nasty severe weather outbreak tonight with a lot of tornadoes and a lot of damage down here in Arkansas, parts of Missouri, into Tennessee, and unfortunately, Mississippi once again. You can see the trajectory with these supercells. They are moving off to the northeast just like that. Now, I think these supercells will gel into a squall line of storms, and it's going to move off to the northeast during the overnight hours. So, again, the best chance of severe weather is going to be southern Indiana, Kentucky, down here into Tennessee and Missouri. And we're going to be on the far northern edge of this severe weather event. We'll go into more detail about this in the Futurecast coming up here in just a second. But in the meantime, it's just a muggy night out there. Temperatures running in the mid-60s for the most part. Those 63 Winamax, 61 at Morocco. And temperatures not changing very much tonight. We're going to level off between about 60 and 62 degrees. But we've got that wave of solid rain and some embedded storms tonight, and we're at the northernmost edge of that severe threat, which will get much worse as you head south and southeastward. But the good news is, like we've been saying all along, it's going to dry out for tomorrow afternoon. We'll get this rain out of here, and the afternoon will be okay. Now, there's 1 a.m. tonight. Still some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms coming up from the southwest, but here is what's left of the supercell action in Arkansas. A little squall line of storms here with a damaging wind threat, perhaps an isolated little weak rain-wrapped tornado coming up. And again, it looks like pretty much Lafayette over here to near Kokomo, maybe towards Petersburg and points southeast. This squall line may kind of clip these areas just like that and then pass through by early tomorrow morning. So again, northernmost severe threat here, Lafayette to Kokomo and Petersburg. And then notice in the afternoon how it dries out. We'll get a little bit of sunshine before we'll have at least a few scattered showers and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm on Monday. So rain and storms increasing tonight, especially late, well after midnight and towards early Sunday morning. 62 for the low. Tomorrow, 74 for the high temperature. Rain and storms ending. Then some clouds mixed with a little sun. Winds out of the west and the northwest. And there you see the highs in the 70s again on Monday with a few scattered showers and storms. Back in the 60s Tuesday, and then a big cool down by next weekend. Again, we're at the northernmost part of this severe threat. May have a watch issued for at least parts of the area, especially southeast of Lafayette overnight. We'll keep an eye on it.
So keep those raincoats out for a while anyway.
Yes, you got it.